In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to connect your router with your power bank. So it's so easy to do, and a lot of country has in the world that's a terrible load shedding. Therefore, they are not using internet by that time when load shedding is happened. So I'm right now I will show with you solution how to do that easily. So it's my charger that's I'm connect with my power bank. So it's my power bank right now. Right now 100% charge full, and it's my cord that I have bought my marketplace. So yeah, you need to buy that for connect power bank to your router and ONU. So and right now I'm doing that easily. So first of all, you need to put that to your router, not your router, power bank cable into your power bank. So I'm putting that, and then you need to put ONU cable on your power bank. So I'm trying to inside that power bank. I haven't stunned, therefore it's kind of my phone is I'm recording video by phone, so it's done something like that. So I'm putting that on my suitable position so it's easy to do. So yeah, right now this to this. So here is my ONU and router. So what is that? It is your ONU. So I'm putting here. No problem, and don't mind. I haven't stunned camera stand, so therefore it's kind of terrible. So I'm putting into that. So okay, and I need to restart again because it's kind of like that. So load shedding, man, load shedding. I need to open my window. So wait. Okay, wait. On is done. Okay, so load shedding, you can, as you see live. So right now my ONU is router is on, but ONU is something terrible thing. It's some doing problem occasionally. So it's my okay, it's a router, it's ONU. Okay, I'm doing again. Okay, I need to restart again that. Okay, ONU is connect, and also my what oh terrible thing, also my router is connect and my ONU is connect. So right now let's say my internet connection. So okay, my load shedding is right now is not coming. So my charger is reconnect to power bank. So right now power bank to there is a connector. So and my my ONU and power bank is on right now. I'm using internet, so it's so beneficial thing. I just I have expense just $4, yeah, something like that, $4, and $4 I have bought that, and this is my free thing I have got on my social media giveaway. So it's rate maybe $10, over $10 you can bought that on online and everywhere in the world. So it's so easy to do. So okay, here a power bank, and here is ONU and router and ONU. So internet is jumping. So okay,